So right now we have our basic navigation working, and you can go to different panels within the game. So for example, when you go to settings, you get some, pretty basic settings with a back button where you could go back and it goes back to the start page. You could go to the instructions button. You press it, it gives you the instructions panel, and there's back and play at the bottom. And when you press play, it sends you to the game panel. And within the game panel, there's our game, which is obviously not done yet. But it also has a pause button on the top left corner. And when you press it, it gives you four different options for resume, shop, settings, and quit. So resume will just take you back to the game panel. And right here, shop will take you to this shop panel, which is not done. And then at the bottom of shop, there is a back button that takes you back to the pause panel. And finally, there is a quit button that prompts you with the J option pane. That when you leave, it closes the program. And so how we accomplish this is we created a holder class called the game holder and added an instance of every single panel into it and added it to the card layout. Yeah.
All right, so in the game holder instance, we send in parameters. In all of the panels, we send in game holder as an instance so that we can have access to this class, which is switching between panels. And we also send in info because it's a getter setter class. More on that on the next slide. So here we have the information panel, and it's pretty simple to set. This gives us access to card layout, which can uh, make sure that all the classes have access to one uniform card layout. Um, to set, we do set card layout. To get it, we do get card layout. Same with the other variables, but those are more for the game and not for the card. Right, and this is our one of our button handlers to show how we can change from each of the cards. We do show card dot show dot the instance of the game holder and the name of the cards.